Hi viewer, today I want to show you how to remove and replace ear tips from AirPods Pro. Let's have a look. First, choose one silicone ear tips from AirPods box. To remove ear tip, pull firmly with your fingers at the base of the ear tip. That's it, ear tip removed. Now take a new ear tip and push the ear tip into the connector unit like this. That's it, new ear tip attached. So these are the steps to remove and replace ear tips on your AirPods Pro. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.